Hi friends. This is Caesar from PS Tutelar. We will color grade this image in 3 different ways. We will use gradient map in first way. Then hue and saturation and curves adjustments. While second and third way is more easier. Just in clicks we will color grade. Let's get started without any delay. First, create layer for gradient map. Choose violet-orange gradient from legacy gradients. If you don't have legacy gradients in list, then go to window and click on gradients. Click on this icon. Choose legacy gradients in drop-down menu. Click on it and you have legacy gradients in list. Choose legacy gradients. Then expand default legacy gradients. You will find violet-orange gradient in this folder. Click on it to apply on image. Change blend mode from normal to soft light. Reduce opacity to 80%. Next, create layer for hue and saturation. Click on this icon. Click and drag in image to modify saturation. Choose skin of model and click on it. You can see reds in colors panel because skin color is a shade of red color. Decrease lightness to -50. Next, create curves adjustment layer. Bend curve down from middle spot to increase darkness. Then bend up from upper spot to increase lightness. Color grading of image has been done. Here is image before then after. Let's see the next way for color grade. It is easier than first one. Create a layer for levels adjustment. There are 3 droppers. Sample in image to set black point. Sample in image to set gray point. And third one for sample in image to set white point. Choose black point dropper. Find black area in image and click on it. Then choose white point dropper. Find white area in image and click on it. Lastly, choose gray point dropper. Find gray area in image and click on it. I guess this area of hair is gray point. Click on it and look at image. Color grading for this image has been done. Move midtone slider to right side. Now look at image before and after. Next way is much easier. Create a layer for levels adjustments. Press Alt and hold, then click on Auto. A window will pop up for auto color correction options. Check Find Dark and Light Colors. Check Snap Neutral Midtones. Choose black color in shadows. Choose 50% gray in midtones. Choose white color in highlights. Then click OK. It will ask to save new target colors as default. Simply click No, we don't want to save. Here is image before then after. This is easier way for color grade. I hope you like these 3 techniques for color grading. If you like video, then hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.